How did we get here? All our hard work gone down the drain just like that.
Because you had a fling with my daughter.
Your son with Ijeoma.
Look, I am not that petty. Besides, through you, I now have a grandson.
Yes, my son with Ijeoma. But he's also more or less a son to you. Is that a problem?
Oh, I see. I think I know what your problem is. You are jealous.
You really think you can fool me, Pat?
What do you mean?
Where exactly is paining you?
Everywhere.
Impossible. Why would Ijeoma do such a thing?
You will not talk to your mother in that tone. I will not allow it. What has come over you?
I am not a prayer contractor, Sister Precious.
Oh my God. This is getting critical. What do we do now?
I don't know.
The prophetic office is what God called me into since when my mother conceived me.
Wow, Precious!
Yes?
You are beginning to scare me. Do you know the kind of embarrassment Pastor Wright's presence would have cost us today?
There was already a huge load of embarrassment on your head when you invited your fake prophet.
Wow. This is good news. Congratulations, my brother.
So all of a sudden, Prophet God's power is now my prophet.
Hey, is it not your prophet?
You're such a snake.